Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create resume free using mobile in 2024 using AI. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open Google Chrome browser and I just type a resumemaker.io. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the resumemaker.io. So this is a useful and best website I have given here. So just hit the button. So I have given the description link. So this is a resume make. So here there will be plenty of templates will be available. So you can choose a template. What are the template you want? You can choose. For example, I just want to have a fifth template. I can choose the fifth template. Similarly, plenty of template will be available. You can choose and have access. So I just create a template number 9 and I just click a next option. Once I click a next option, it will ask you for your name. So I just want to give my name and my all the details, my email ID and all the details I can give. So within a second the mail will be created and the resume will be created. I can share with my all the clients. So I've given some numbers and I just want to share my locations and my portfolio. If there are any portfolio I can give according to my needs. Yeah. So I can give the next option to give my education purpose. For example, I just want to check with that undergraduate or postgraduate, anything I can give, or PhD or anything else I can give according to my needs, and school name or school locations, everything you can give for the degree, major degree and everything you can give according to your need, according to your resume content you can give for your things, and your start date, end date, everything you can give, and you can add the school or remove the school and just click next option. You can choose your work experience and you can give your work experience, company name and everything you can give, and job title as a software engineer or any type of things you can give according to your need, and you can check it in your places over there. So I just want to create a job title and end date, everything I can give, and I just want to show the skills. If you want to add a skill, you can add the skill or you can remove the skill as well. So you can choose a skills option and just click the next option. You can choose your project, any other project is there, you can give according to your need, and click the next option to create your entire thing. Now I have given my inputs over there and I just want to click here to make my presentation. Within a second my entire thing will be ready because I have given simple options, my name and my designation and my PhD and my experience, so that the template has been created over here. So I can able to download as a PDF or LaTeX. So if I want to edit the text, means I can download this format, or I can click here to download as a PDF. It is a free. So it is totally 100% free. If you are traveling anywhere else, you want to use to create a resume or update your resume to share with your HR, you can use this website to create your entire website. I just click here for the LaTeX search. So this format would be helpful to make a go back. So I just want to edit the images or edit the resume also I can make according to my needs. So you can choose and have access to create your resume. So I just have and make a new resume, continue the session or import the JSON format. So as I said, so I can download or edit the format, or I can make a new resume or continue sessions. So I can choose and have access. So similarly I can click and have a new resume format. We can give and get a different types of format within a second. So this website is most powerful website. Use this website, and while you're traveling also you can create a professional resume and share with your HR. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.